Bangladesh's economy grew faster than India's. Are you also shocked to know this? So were we. Therefore, we dive deep into finding out how did Bangladesh exactly do it. Hello and welcome to Ecoholics. Let's start with discussing the success story. Over the past decade, Bangladesh has been one of the fastest growing economies in the world. The country's GDP growth rate has averaged around 6% per year, which has brought it into the counts of lower middle income countries from the ones of the poorest in the world. There are several key factors. Firstly, the ready-made garment industry, which accounts for more than 80% of the country's export, is a major employer in Bangladesh. Secondly, Bangladesh has been a pioneer in microfinance with organizations like Grameen Bank, which provides access to credit and empowers women by enabling them to start their own businesses. Thirdly, Bangladesh has a large diaspora living abroad, which sends back remittances to their families and has a great role in supporting the economy. But all that glitters is certainly not gold. There are certain challenges that need to be addressed, like investing more in education and skill development. Also, the tense political situation and corruption in the country with protests and violence is discouraging foreign investment. Looking forward, Bangladesh need to invest in sectors like renewable energy, information technology, and tourism. It also means focusing on inclusive growth, ensuring that the benefits of economic growth are shared by all. Thus, as a responsible neighbor, we wish Bangladesh continues to be a shining example of economic development, especially in the Asian region. Thank you.